Welcome back to the Value Hub YouTube channel. I am thrilled to have you join us once again as we dive into the world of Slack. Today, we are taking our Slack expertise to the next level by exploring the power of Slack integration. Have you ever wondered how to supercharge your Slack experience with integrations? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we will unravel the mystery behind Slack integration, explore its countless benefits, and equip you with the knowledge to revolutionize your workflow. So grab up your notepads and get ready to level up your Slack game. By the end of this video, you will be armed with the tools and insights you need to make the most out of Slack integrations. And if you're looking to implement Slack for your team or business, don't hesitate to connect with us at connect@valuehubit.com. We are here to help you seamlessly integrate Slack into your workflow for maximum efficiency. And as always, let's jump into it. If you don't know what integration is, it refers to the incorporation of third-party applications or services directly into the Slack platform. These integrations are designed to enhance Slack's functionality and tailor the user experience to specific needs. By integrating external apps, users can extend Slack's capabilities beyond its native features, allowing for a more comprehensive and efficient workflow. What are the ways the third-party apps can be seamlessly integrated into Slack? Third-party apps can be seamlessly integrated into Slack through the utilization of Slack's application programming interface known as API and various integration tools provided by Slack. These tools enable developers to create connections between Slack and external applications, ensuring smooth communication and interaction between the two platforms. This integration process allows users to access external app functionalities directly within Slack, enhancing collaboration and productivity. What app does Slack integrate with? Slack integrates with a diverse selection of third-party apps spanning different categories such as project management, file sharing, productivity, and communication tools. This extensive range of integrations caters to various business needs and workflows, offering users flexibility and customization options. Some of the popular apps that Slack integrates with include Google Drive, Trello, Zoom, Salesforce, and many others, providing users with a seamless and interconnected ecosystem for collaboration and communication. Slack has its own app directory, but before delving deep into the directory, we will look at its overview. The Slack app directory is a marketplace within Slack where users can discover and install various third-party apps and integrations. It is categorized into sections such as communication, productivity, and project management to help users easily find the tools they need. Popular integrations in the Slack app directory cater to different business needs such as communication tools like Zoom for video conferencing, project management tools like Asana for task tracking, and productivity tools like Google Drive for file sharing. Within the communication category of the Slack app directory, popular integrations include Microsoft Teams calls for video conferencing, Slack Connect for external collaboration, and Outlook Calendar for scheduling meetings. In the productivity category, examples include Google Drive for file sharing, Trello for project management, and Todoist for task tracking. To access the Slack app directory, we will go to our Slack app. From the sidebar, after scrolling down, we can see the app section. We will click on the app section. After clicking here, we can see manage, and here we will click on browse apps. So the first section shows all the apps installed in my workspace. After scrolling down, we can see the recommended apps by Slack that should be installed in our workspace. So we can install app from here. If we want to access the full directory, we can see the app directory button located top right corner of this Slack app. We will click on this button and it will lead us to a new web page where we can access all the apps provided for the Slack platform. So before that, let's see what this page says about. On this page, we can browse all the apps available for Slack. We can manage the apps installed for our org. And finally, we can build our own apps for the Slack platform. This is a talk for another day. After this series, we will delve deep into the Slack development. So if you want to get ahead of everyone, click on the subscribe button to stay updated for each video. Next to the build button, we can see a drop-down list. So I will select the desired workspace where I want to install the Teams app for my workspace. I will click on Value Hub Interns. Let's check if we have already done any Slack integrations. After clicking the Manage button, we can see all the apps installed for my workspace. Here we can see that I have installed these number of apps. Let's install another app. We can search the app over here or click on the Browse button. Here we can also see a search bar. We will type Microsoft. As you can see, Microsoft Team calls has been listed. We will click on this button, and this is the app homepage. To install a Slack app, we just need to click on Add to Slack button, and here we can see the list of permissions this app asks. So whenever you're installing an app, you need to review each and every permissions carefully. As I trust this app, I will click on Allow button. So it will take a couple of seconds to get started. Now it is asking me my credentials. As I already logged into my Microsoft account, it fetched all the credentials required. After that, it's asking open the Slack. I will click on this button and now I'm good to go. This is how standard integration works in Slack. As you can see, the Microsoft Teams call has been installed. For custom integrations, stay with us. We will be covering it in our Slack development series. So please subscribe to this channel and like the video as well. So on the app homepage, we can see the instructions on how we can use this app. It says to use a command shortcut to get started. Do you remember we discussed this feature in message and formatting video? Well, if you did not, you can watch it by clicking on the I button. We will also add it in the description below. Let's use the command shortcut to start Teams meeting without leaving Slack. We can use this command in any channel. I will go to a channel from the sidebar. I will click on this channel. As you can see, I have done a custom integrations in this workspace. This app greets you back with a set of greeting messages specified by me. If I send a hello message, it will greet me back with hello there with my username. If I send your message, it will greet me based on the specific command I have set for this app. So stay tuned with us by subscribing to this channel to learn more about the development part later. So in the message box, I will write slash Teams. As soon as I wrote this command, I can see the Teams shortcut over here. Instead of writing the whole command, I will click here and press enter. See, the Teams app automatically created a meeting without making me leave the Slack app. Anyone from this channel can go to the meeting with just one click. This is how we can integrate apps in Slack. So that's the power of Slack. It centralizes the work by allowing you to access almost all your work activities in one place, resulting the decrease in context switching. All the plans except the free one allows us to have unlimited app integrations. If your organization does not require the particular app anymore, you can simply uninstall it from your workspace. As we have just installed Microsoft Teams calls, we will be uninstalling it to see how we can completely uninstall a app from the workspace. So from the sidebar, we will click on the company's name, then tools and settings, and going down, we can see manage app button. We will click on this button. Now it's asking select a workspace. We will select a workspace and click open. It will lead us to the manage page where we can see all the apps installed in our workspace. And here we can see the Microsoft Teams calls. So we will be uninstalling this app. So I'll click on this button. To manage and uninstall an app, we will click on App Details, which will lead us to the Teams app homepage on Slack directory. To check the features of an app, there is a dedicated section with the same name. And to know more about the security and compliance of this app, go to the last section, Security and Compliance. As we want to manage and install an app, so we will click on Configuration. It states that this app can do on behalf of users and the app. Scrolling down, we can see the authorization. On the configuration page, it says what this app can do on behalf of users. Scrolling down, we can see the authorization this app has. So in this case, there are two members authorized. Let's click on the See All button to see who are the two members. After clicking on this button, we can see Microsoft Teams calls has the authorization to host calls, start and manage calls in a workspace, and the other one is me. So if there are multiple members, if and we want to limit their authorization, we can just simply revoke them using the app. Click on this button, click again on revoke, and you are good to go. Let's check out how we can uninstall the integration. Just scroll down a bit further. You can see the remove app section. Click on the remove app, click on that button again, and now the Teams call app has been uninstalled from the workspace. This is how the standard and custom integration works. So this is how installing and uninstalling of standard integration in Slack works. As I stated earlier, to know more about custom integrations and Slack app development, the videos on those topics will be uploaded on our Value Hub YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video. So for the next steps, we will be delving deep into the other aspects of Slack. Feel free to comment on what you like most in this video. For further insights, please connect with our social media accounts displaying over here and in the description below. Thanks again for watching.